Good morning. Today starts the week of my birthday. Yes, a week? Yes, a week. Because I don't like big parties. So what I do is celebrate with little reunions with my friends, with the bike friends, tennis friends, personal friends, family friends. Well, you know, so I'm gonna do some little rides showing you the places that I love most. So that's one of them.
I like to ride here, so nice.
A whole year has passed since my last birthday. Yes, my last birthday we had 200 subscribers, and I realized at that time that most of the subscribers wants to know about this darling Brompton. So what did I do? Focus my channel more to my Brompton. Yes. And now we're almost to 3,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. You're making my life so fun because I love to make the videos. As you know, I love to share the things that I learned and the tips and the problems and, you know, solutions. And for this video, I'm gonna show you two tips. First, this part here. See this lever here? Yes. My lever today is perfect because we are in winter time here in Rio de Janeiro. It's below 20 degrees, so for us it's kind of cold. But you guys, they are in the northern hemisphere. It's getting hot. So if that lever starts to getting hard to change it, don't worry. It's just that inside the plastic gets a little bit bigger when it gets hot, so it's not broken. You just have to change the gear slowly, you know, and straight. That's it. And another one for you is for the second tip of the day is this here. Whenever you use shoes that have laces, put the laces underneath, tuck the laces underneath, because then there will be no problem for the laces to get in here and get stuck on it. A lot of people fell down because of it. So usually I wear shoes with no laces, you know, Velcro or elastic, but sometimes I like the shoes. It's been with me for years and years and years, and since it's my week birthday, I would like to use it.
So nice. Beautiful rainbow.
So let's move on. Here's a place that I really love. Arpoador. Arpoador Beach is marvelous. Has great waves and great sunrise, great sunset. It's so magical. Oh, let me show you.
To start celebrating my birthday, here's a sugarcane juice. Cheers! Just so good. When you come to Brazil, please have a sugarcane juice. But you have to choose a very good place because sometimes it's too sweet. and not so good. Here in Portuguese, there's a very good sugar cane juice. It's not sweet and it's very good. Oh, I love it. Sometimes I come here just to drink it and come back. So funny. Look, this guy put the cans like this. It just fell. He get money with it. Well, I was gonna get the subway, the metro, the tube back home, but such a lovely day. I'm gonna ride back home. Not home. I'm going to the restaurant for a brunch with my family. My first celebration. Actually, I did receive a happy birthday already. I met a friend in the sugarcane place. So my first happy birthday. Let's go. There's some rain coming up. Hope I get there in time before the rain. First day of my birthday week was a 32 kilometers ride, and I'm arriving 10 minutes earlier to Balada Mix. We're gonna meet with my family to have my first happy birthday. Let's do it. July 5th, 2021, 20 past 7. Yes, I'm officially 54 years old and time flies. It's so amazing. A year ago, we have 200, almost 200 subscribers. And today, we have almost 3,000. Is that cool? Thanks for all the company. Thanks for all the comments. And remember that I asked you where you from and you know where the videos are going to? I did a map. Yes, let me show you. This map shows you all the places that my videos has gone. A lot of them I never been there before. So it's so cool to see the videos going to places that I never been. Thanks for the company, and let's keep riding. Let's go, because we have 2 celebrations today and another one tomorrow. Let's do it. Beautiful. Fantastic, isn't it? Well, 3 cakes later, and we are at one of my favorite spots. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you very much to be part of this very special week. And let me show you the cakes.